Hey beauties, today I'm going to be cutting my hair super short. Well, not super short. I'm gonna do a medium long layer haircut. I've been wanting to do this for a while. My ends are pretty damaged. They've been taking a lot of maintenance and I'm just ready to go short for the summertime. So let's go ahead and get started. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra. I post lots of fashion and beauty content. I do a lot of DIY haircuts, DIY highlights, lots of hair maintenance at home. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you enjoy that kind of content, as well as some fashion and makeup and lifestyle mixed in between. Hit that subscribe button and let's go ahead, do our little happy dance and get started. I'm gonna go a little longer. You guys know, if you've seen any of my haircut videos, that I do like to go a little bit longer at first because I can always go shorter, but I can't add length back. And I have a feeling it's gonna take a few tries to get them perfectly even. So what I'm gonna do is take this straight edge scissor and just brush it out. Try and cut as straight as possible right here. Again, I am starting off cutting a little bit longer than I want it to be, see, because I'm doing this on myself and I know the line is not going to be perfect the first time. By the way, I am not a professional. I've never gone to hair school or anything like that. I've just been cutting and coloring my hair at home on myself pretty much my whole life. I am gonna go shorter, like I said. I just wanna make sure that my hair ends up even. So I'm going slow and steady. Also, I do like to cut on dry, sort of styled hair just so I can see what it's gonna look like when I'm done cutting. I think I'm gonna go a little shorter. So, should I just do that now? Okay, let's do it now. Taking little sections and matching it up with my finger and cutting underneath. I'm kind of trying to measure it from this side. I know that this is lopsided, but I do just like to gather it. Try to make the ends as even as possible. I'm gonna take these shearing scissors and I'm gonna start cutting the layers just so it's not so choppy. I think I'm gonna just start in the back so that I can get the bottom part as even as possible. I'm just taking this first layer, bringing it to the front, and with the shearing scissors, I'm gonna trim that down. I'm just cutting so that I get all the dead ends off. It's about 1 inch wide. Now I'm gonna take long sections like this. Okay, I'm just trying to even out the bottom layer, but I am taking the shearing scissors this time just because they are more forgiving than the straight edge ones. I'm gonna slowly shave it off until it's a little bit shorter, and then I'll do the layers. This side is definitely longer.
Whoa, that's a lot of hair, Mom.
I know it is. It is definitely uneven. I'm gonna pull it all up and try to fix it like that. So to try and even it out, I'm gonna take this section. I'm gonna brush it all up. I'm just gonna go through and do all my layers. Hopefully it evens out. If not, then I will have my husband even out that bottom layer. So for the layers, I didn't explain this whenever I did my front layer. You're gonna try to create like a V. You see what I mean? Just like that. And then brush everything so it's even. I'm looking at the back and I'm seeing this one spot that is longer. So I'm gonna grab it. Let's figure this out. I'm gonna grab it, hold on to it, do it like this, and I'm gonna trim this part off. Let's look at it again. Okay. This part as well. You guys, I'm not a professional, okay? Okay. This tiny little piece I could see sticking out. So, cutting that. It looks pretty good. The last step that I like to do is just kind of take pieces and trim it ever so slightly, not fully closing my scissors, and just thinning out my hair and helping those layers blend a little better. It's really not taking off a lot. It's just kind of thinning out my hair because I do have super thick hair. Can you cut a straight line?
Yeah.
Okay. Josh is gonna help me. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Sorry, I
Can
couldn't
you
help but
just
flex.
Can you just make sure it's straight on the bottom?
So I'm going just straight across.
Straight across. See, like there's this piece right here.
I'm not responsible. No.
I just want you to cut, like, you see this straggly right here?
Yeah.
Just make sure that there's no, like, any random stragglies. Only cut the stragglies. Remember when I tried to cut your hair?
Oh my gosh, you jacked up my hair.
I did.
It looked like I look ridiculous.
Ew.
Alright, you're good.
All right, I'm good. Okay, I do kind of want to go shorter. So what I'm gonna do is take the bottom layer first. I've already done it on this side and I think it really helped with the stragglies. So I'm gonna take this bottom layer underneath first, and I'm just using my regular scissors again. Just shaving off about 1/2 inch. And then taking another section on the bottom, putting it together and making sure that's even. Okay, I think it looks pretty good now. I'm just going to, again, trim some layers in just to get some texture in there and so that my ends aren't so blunt. I'm cutting at an angle. I'm really liking it actually. I'm gonna cut a little bit underneath as well. I'm just gonna style it a little, just to make sure everything's sitting where I want it to. I'm using my smaller barrel. I think I'm done. I probably could be here forever still cutting my hair, but I feel like it's a good length. It's got some good layers in it. I'm happy with it. I really, really like this haircut. I hope there's no stragglies. I might have Josh just come in here and double check again that there are no stragglies, because I did trim a little bit more off the bottom. I'm really, really happy with it. My hair feels so light and bouncy and healthy and just a good change that I needed, especially heading into the summertime. So yay! I hope you guys enjoyed transforming my hair with me. If you do this at home, use caution, have someone there to help you like I did. Again, I'm not a professional. This is just what I do to cut my own hair at home, and I usually really, really, really love my results. Oh, by the way, I did unbox some color refreshing product from Madison Reed, which I'm really, really excited to try. So subscribe. I think I'm gonna do that in my next video because this color does need a little bit of a refresher, and so I figured I would do 2 separate videos. Subscribe if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.